morning everyone. So Riley and I are heading off this morning. We're not sure where we want to go yet. We're just going to get out there, set the sails and see what the wind is like and then decide that way, which is always really fun. You never know where you'll end up. The fridge is full. We did a bit of provisioning yesterday.
That's $7.
For a kilo of hummus.
That'll be gone. That'll be gone.
I've just put everything away because I think there's maybe 25 knots of wind today, so we might be heeled over quite a bit. And Riley's just gone for his last little shower at the marina showers. How's the shower, Patron?
Great.
What are we doing?
We're gonna go. Oh, there's a pretty stiff breeze from the southeast, but we're just gonna zip across it. We'll end up dragging the wind forward because we're gonna be going about 1,000,000 miles an hour. No, we'll be close hold.
"16 cigarettes, don't know where you're headed now. Working for your bread, trying to make your family proud. 40 in the head, don't know what you're saying now.
We hoisted the mainsail in the shelter of the bay of Early Beach. I was having a good time learning the ropes on a new vessel, how she was set up and how she handled, compared to the Vagabonde the first. At 49 foot she was much heavier and handled the waves with a smoother, sort of slower motion, less prone to rounding up and more forgiving with your sail plans.
Sitting by the trees, let's roll another one. La 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 la, oh la 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 la, wake up. Oh darling, 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 oh la 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 la, oh la 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 la, wake up. Oh darling, 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 in the daydream, bossing all the way to my home. What is space and time?
Beautiful.
So we've got 16 knots on a beam. It's actually really fun and the air's warm, so that's always nice. It's never fun when there's freezing cold wind like in Europe 2014. That was terrible. Yeah, it's good to be out here. The air is fresh.
You said the air was warm.
Yeah, it's warm and fresh. Fresh as in clean. There's lots of trees around.
Ah, that head sail is just set up so well, it's ridiculous. It's so tight.
Oopsie, someone forgot to shut a cupboard. That was me. I feel like this is going to happen a lot on this trip. Just learning the new ways of this particular boat. Millions of peaches, peaches for me. Millions of peaches. I've just double checked that all the hatches are closed because a massive wave just came over the front. Yeah, it's getting up to about 27 knots now. We don't want to take a read just yet, but that might have to happen in a minute. Okay, I gotta go outside.
I'm being all cold like I am.
We are sideways.
So what we'll do, Elayna,
Yeah.
is turn around, go with it. There's plenty of room out there.
Yeah.
Line the head sail in and then motor into our little anchorage.
Okay. We are headed straight for, what's it called?
Sawmill Bay.
Sawmill Bay. Like directly there, so yes, that's where we're going to go.
They told us not to come out today, but we went anyway.
We wound in the head sail and dropped the main before motoring into our anchorage to bunker down for the night.
Wanna see if we can hit that road by taco food truck. My still we're on the line. Wanna see if you gon' hit that groove. Sunshine, love. sitting on the sand dune.
T-R-O-U-T, trout. Do you think I win?
You definitely won.
I think I win. What loads do you have left? Yeah, you're screwed.
EDA.
You're screwed.
Yeah, I'm in big trouble.
We got vegetarian falafel balls and a veggie stir fry for dinner because we've been sitting on our wet bums all day. I had to open the hatch to let some air out, but I've been getting rained on whilst cooking.
Feel like we don't have the means to rise above and beat it, so we keep on waiting.
The Tabasco sauce is in the fridge, Riley.
On the world to change, we keep on waiting, waiting on the world to change.
She's a good girlfriend.
Any lapse was swiftly rectified.
The beach looks really nice over there. The second the sun comes out, I'm going to jump in the tender and go for a burn.
Damn girl, you know I don't go here. You know I'm not familiar. You know I just
Oh dear.
No shoes, he reckons. Well, that's the end of our little walk. That was really nice. Nice way to spend the afternoon.
It was indeed.
We're getting cabin fever in the boat.
What have we got here, Pants?
We've got another veggie stir fry. This time it's soy, honey and ginger. And I got some veggies in the oven, but they take ages, so this is going to be an entree. Life is so much better when there's sunshine. It's just unbelievably good. I've just made Riley breakfast and I'm going to bring it to him in bed. Morning. I bought you something really yum.
Thank you. Oh, I didn't sleep very well last night.
Didn't you?
No.
Why not?
I watched all of Vikings.
You can't watch all of Vikings in one night, Ralph. That morning, we decided to pull up anchor and move on. The weather was looking good for the next few days, and the Whitsundays was more than ready to show us a good time. We're out! We just got some mud. Nara Inlet on Hook Island was next on our list of to sees, so we headed in that direction. 5 or 6 nautical miles, short little sail. We got 15 to 20 knots from the southeast today, which isn't too bad. We're going dead downwind with about 15 knots from behind, just the head sail out. Just lovely.
This is a very technical manoeuvre. Not too many people outside of the Volvo Ocean Race can pull this one off. Ah! See? You get tangled up and stuff. Have I gone the right way? Oh my god, I went the wrong way.
Did you really?
Yeah. Let's don't everyone just panic right now. The captain's got everything under control.
That's what happens when you're being a smarty pants.
Forget how many degrees I went, and now we're gonna go too far the other way.
Phew.
We were one of only 3 other boats anchored in this protected bay. Some of the oldest archaeological sites ever found in eastern Australia are the caves of the Nyaro people on Hook Island. A site at Nara Inlet we saw is the oldest indication of Aboriginal occupation in the Great Barrier Reef Marine Park.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Tune in next time for our adventures of Hamilton Island.
We're very happy to be doing some more work for Audible. I listen to audio books every single day, and it's awesome for me for multitasking. I can be, there's a turtle.
Really?
Mm.
Hello!
So what I'm listening to at the moment is A History of the World by Andrew Marr, and the bit that I found, which I think is so funny, is Herodotus and his take on the Persians.
They have an interesting way of taking decisions. If any important decision is to be made, they discuss the question when they are drunk, and the following day the master of the house submits their decision for reconsideration when they are sober.
Let's do the South Pole!
Conversely, any decision they make when they are sober is reconsidered afterwards when they are drunk.
Obviously there's more books than just that one. There's millions and millions of books there. So if you'd like to sign up for a free 30-day trial today, head to www.audible.com/SLV. Thank you.